Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something quite important in Thai. In Thai culture, we call it spoons. Not that kind of spooning. Okay, so just a spoon when you eat with. Where I'm at right now, I'm in the States, and we don't really use spoons unless you're drinking coffee or whatever, right? So main meal in Thailand, you always gonna have fork and spoon. But the thing is, there's a different type of spoons. You use it wrong, people might look at you funny. You have to know how to look and how to ask for a certain type of spoons, okay? It sounds boring right now. Just wake up. Come on. It sounds boring right now, but you're going to need it, all right? So let's get on with this. The first one, we call it chon. Chon means spoon. Chon, okay? Chon. High tone, chon, spoon. All right, let's see what kind of different type of spoons they have out there so you know the right one, so you know the names, okay? A serving spoon. Sometimes you're gonna need that at the restaurant, in a restaurant, usually there's a family style type meal, which means there's a dish and everyone just dig in. You don't want to eat off the main meal with like everyone else's spoon that goes straight to the mouth and goes straight there, right? So you want to ask for a serving spoon. Okay? Serving spoon, we call it chon klang. Chon klang. Chon klang means a serving spoon. So it's a bigger size spoon, as you know. People can serve that just as long as you don't just use that to eat in front of everyone. That's just dumb. Chon klang means serving spoon. Always make sure you ask for that, because or else people are just gonna dig in with that spoon and it's gonna be gross. Here in America and Europe or whatnot, we eat with fork and knives, right? But in Thailand, they always eat with fork and spoon. Okay? If you eat your rice with fork, yes, you can do, but everyone's gonna look at you like, oh yeah, he's a tourist, that's for sure. So if you wanna fit in, use your spoon the certain way. Maybe someday I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, there's a certain way to do it. Now, next one is tablespoon. Tablespoon is a kind of spoon that when you do like baking or whatever, you ask for a tablespoon. Okay, we call it a chon to. Chon to. To, actually, to means table. Go figure. Tablespoon. Chon to. How can you be confused, man? It's just that. Chon to. So next one is teaspoon. Teaspoon. You might need that for your coffee, whatever. We call it chon cha. Chon cha. Chon cha. That means teaspoon. Okay, you use that for your coffee. You use that for your dessert. Chon cha. Cha means tea. And chon cha. Chon means spoon. Teaspoon. Come on. Right? Chon cha. Next one is a little interesting that you probably not really heard it before, but I'm going to teach you. Scoop it up. Okay? Scoop it up. Like, there's something in the soup. The good part. Scoop it up. We call it chon khun ma. Chon khun ma. That means scoop up the pieces from the soup. Just say if you're in a pond and there's a fish and you want to just like scoop up the fish to go to another pond, you can chon khun ma. Chon khun ma. Scoop it up. Chon khun ma. Now, next one is a measuring spoon. Okay, measuring spoon is used for you want to learn Thai cooking. You're going to need that measuring spoon. We call that chon tuong. Chon tuong. Chon tuong means a measuring spoon. Chon tuong. All right, next one is always together. Fork and spoon together. Fork and spoon is chon som. Chon som. If you're at the restaurant, they serve you something and you have your utensils. Basically, that's what it is. You ask for utensils. So if you ask for utensils, they're always gonna give you fork and spoon, not fork and knives. Thai people don't really use knives unless you're in a resort or a hotel, you're eating breakfast or whatever. They'll give you knives. But if you go to moms and pop restaurant, they're probably gonna give you a fork and spoon. Chon som. That means that you eat that with your meal, okay? Chon som. How to say, can I get a spoon? Khor chon noi. ขอช้อนหน่อยขอช้อนหน่อย means I can have a spoon for my dessert for my soup for whatever that you're eating at that moment ขอช้อนหน่อย means I can have a spoon so it's not that hard I mean this is pretty easy I want to keep this one short because there's many more lessons in the future you're gonna like fill up your brain with and you're not gonna be able to handle it okay I'm just gonna give you a little bit at a time okay so don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well I have an Instagram account it's Bodo_Thai and you have fun there because tons and tons of lessons tons and tons of phrases and sentences and words and everything there man it's like very active so if you like this kind of content my name is Bodo and I hope to see you next time and please like and subscribe and stay well peace